Welcome back to the channel! Today we're diving into a machine that completely redefines what ultra-luxury means on four wheels. Imagine a car so exclusive, so outrageously elegant, that it feels less like transportation and more like a private jet built for the streets. This is the all-new Rolls-Royce Venuum Dawn 2026 ultra-luxury, and trust me, this masterpiece is unlike anything you've ever seen before. The moment this car appears, it instantly commands attention. Every inch of the body looks handcrafted with pure obsession. The signature Rolls-Royce presence is still here, but Venuum has taken things to another level with a darker, more aggressive personality. The massive illuminated grille dominates the front, while the sleek laser headlights give the car an intimidating futuristic stare. The body lines flow like liquid metal, and the custom carbon fiber accents add a bold modern edge that screams exclusivity. And then there's the paint finish. Under sunlight, the deep metallic tones shimmer with incredible detail, almost like the surface of a luxury yacht. Even standing still, the car feels alive. Massive premium wheels wrapped in ultra-performance tires complete the look, giving this luxury beast an athletic stance that blends elegance with raw power. But wait until those signature coach doors open. Step inside and you're instantly surrounded by a world of handcrafted perfection. The cabin of the Rolls-Royce Venuum Dawn 2026 feels more like a five-star luxury lounge than a car interior. The seats are wrapped in the finest quilted leather imaginable, stitched with precision that only true artisans can achieve. Every surface you touch feels expensive, from the polished wood trim to the cold metallic controls. The ambient lighting transforms the cabin into a rolling piece of art at night. Above your head, the iconic Starlight headliner sparkles like a galaxy, creating an atmosphere that feels magical every time you drive. Rear passengers are treated like royalty with reclining seats, champagne coolers, personalized entertainment screens, and enough legroom to stretch out in complete comfort. And the technology, absolutely insane. A massive digital display blends seamlessly into the dashboard while advanced AI systems quietly handle navigation, comfort settings, and driving assistance. The sound system delivers concert-level audio quality, turning every drive into a private music experience. Even the doors close automatically with a whisper, quiet motion, because in a car like this, every tiny detail matters. Now let's talk performance, because this ultra-luxury masterpiece isn't just about comfort. Under the hood sits a monstrous twin, turbocharged V12 engine producing breathtaking power. The acceleration is unbelievably smooth, yet shockingly fast for a car of this size. Press the throttle, and this luxury yacht launches forward with effortless force. What makes it even more impressive is how silent and refined everything feels. At highway speeds, the cabin remains almost completely isolated from the outside world. The advanced suspension system glides over rough roads like they don't even exist, making every journey feel smooth and effortless. Despite its massive presence, the handling feels incredibly controlled thanks to cutting-edge or wheel steering and adaptive driving technology. Whether cruising through city streets or dominating long-distance highways, the Venuum Dawn delivers a driving experience that feels both powerful and graceful at the same time. Of course, exclusivity comes at a price. The Rolls-Royce Venuum Dawn 2026 Ultra Luxury is expected to cost well over $1 million depending on customization. And honestly, that's exactly what makes it special. This isn't just a car for transportation, it's a statement of status, power, and ultimate luxury. So, what do you think about this unbelievable masterpiece? Would you drive the Rolls-Royce Venuum Dawn 2026? Or is it simply too luxurious to even imagine owning? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insane luxury car content coming very soon.